Yo, what is going on, guys? Today is Tuesday. I just want to apologize for yesterday. I didn't get to make a video. Um, I was just busy, but I'm gonna make up for it today. I'm gonna show you the trade that I took yesterday that I lost, and I'm gonna show you today that I took a trade today and I won, right? So I apologize for not making a video yesterday. I should have made a video, but I got caught up with some things. It's no excuse, regardless. I should be able to make. I take full accountability, no excuses. But I'm gonna double down today, and I'm gonna show you the trade I took yesterday and the trade I took today. So let's get into it. Let's waste no time here. So yesterday, right? This was Monday, right? The 10th, right? So we opened up. I got on the charts early today. Not today. Well, I got early on the charts yesterday and today also too. But let me see. Before we start, real quick, I'm gonna get the vertical line. Boom. Yes. Vertical line. Let's favorite that real quick. I should have done this before, but hey, it is where it is, right? Okay, so we woke up here like at 6:05. We'll put it. So this is when we're looking at the market yesterday. So I'm like, okay, we got this big push up, right? So I got my Fibonacci's. I'm thinking, I got my fibs. I'm drawing out my fibs, right? Okay, his structure right there. Um, get my fibs. So ultimately, I was looking for this so I can get a retrace down so I can take it up, right? So this is what I had on my charts yesterday, right here, and I was just looking for price to come down here still, and also right here we had a FEG, a 15-minute FEG, right? Or no, was it 30-minute? Oh no, it might have been an hour. Yeah, so this is what I was looking at right here. We had an hour FEG that I wanted price to come and tap into, but it never did, right? It never did. Price never retraced to that FVG, so um, it was all right. But I know we created a support right here, um, uh, because um, of this right here. So what I was thinking, right? I didn't see all this, right? But um, I woke up right here on this vertical blue line, and I was watching price, right? So I was watching price on the lower time frames, on the 5 minute. I was watching price, and I was like, okay, it's consolidating right now. You see, there's a big resistance right here in the way, and there is a big support right here. So really, man, really, this is was a no trading day for me because I don't trade consolidation. And the fact is that I knew that it was consolidating, and I still decided to trade. It's kind of crazy, man. It's like if you follow your simple rules that you tell yourself, you would win more than you don't. I'm being so real right now because literally I told myself I'm not gonna trade today because look, previously I'm like it's consolidating, it keeps going down between these two levels, right? Because we obviously see buyers coming in right here, right? We obviously see buyers pushing this thing up, um, right? You see that. I mean, I see that, you see that. So, and then you see right here, right? Sellers pushing it down every time that it comes to this level. Sellers, boom, pushing it down, right? So I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna trade my day, but why did I take a trade? I have no idea, right? Because I didn't stay disciplined, you know? I was eager to get into the market, even though I told myself that I wasn't, right? So look, this is the trade I took. So I took it on the bottom of that candle right here, on the bottom of that candle. And what do you think happened, guys? Where you say, oh, Ivan, why would you go into a sale knowing that it's a green candle? Well, guys, because at first this was a red candle and I didn't wait for candle closes. That's also part of my plan that I always have to wait for candle closes, right? And also, I failed to realize that we engulfed this right here for the buy side. So honestly, I should have gotten a buy right here um, instead of a sell. Because if I would have got into a buy right there, I would have probably got there. But the reason why I didn't like it is because I would have got in right here, right? And I mean, really, price rejected right here, right? So really, I didn't know if price was just gonna reject and just dump on me like that, or like right here. This that's only three 3.5, right? I really want to go to like kind of want to go to 1 or 2 RR, right? So, I mean, this would have been a good trade though. I should have took that, but instead I didn't wait for candle close. I went into the sell because, and my reasoning behind the sell, guys, like I want you to know the reasoning behind my sell is because we created this support, right? This wick of rejection. So anywhere between, let's say, like right here, so you see this wick on the bottom, so it closed right here. Even on the 15-minute, there was a candle that closed below it, so I'm like, okay, a candle closed below it is going to retrace a little bit and then go back down to my original where I can buy, you know. That's what I was expecting, but I wasn't doing what price was actually telling me to do, so which caused me to lose, right? So that's my reasoning, because it broke this low, but I failed to realize that it actually recovered on this engulfing right here, right? It recovered and it came back up. So just really, this could have been avoided from not looking at candle closes, right? If I just waited for a candle close, this 100% could have been avoided, 100%, because I've already missed a move, right? But if I waited for this candle close, I would have never got on, and never got into that sell, never. So, um, yeah, man. And plus, knowing that it's a no trading day, that's a huge one. So that was yesterday, guys, and that's how I lost $400 yesterday. But then um, today I came into the market and let me draw the vertical line to see where I saw price at right here. This the vertical line is where I woke up, okay? Where I woke up and I was looking at the chart. So I was like, okay, what has price done previously, right? So I'm like, okay, I see this trend line. I see prices trading on this trend line, right? On this trend line. I'm like, okay, so really I want to look for sales because I want to see um, go back to this trend line and take it down, right? Because we're on the trend line. The trend line um, is my friend until broken, right? Obviously, we can see that this is creating higher lows, right? You can see the trend right now is higher lows. I mean, I can mark it out for y'all, right? So you got a higher low here, higher low here, higher low here. I mean, a higher high. Why am I saying higher lows? A higher high. No, a higher. Oh my days. A higher low, right? So this is a high, then a higher low. Oh my, or lower high. Oh my days. Oh, sorry guys. That's just, anyways, the fact that it's lower, okay? Lower highs, lower highs forming. Oh my days. I am cooked right now, guys. I am cooked. Lower highs, right? Um, so, and I'm not gonna edit out that. I'm not gonna edit that out, by the way. That's just real. Anyways, um, so yeah, the lower highs forming, the lower highs forming. So I was like, okay, draw out this trend line. And then when I come up, the reason why I took a buy here, right? Because initially I was looking for sales because we broke this support, right? We broke this support. So I'm like, okay, price gonna have to retrace somewhere, right? And I still had this, I was looking on the 15-minute and I'm like, okay, I still have this Fibonacci right here. Um, I still have this Fibonacci right here that that I still want to trade into, right? So I put it on this high, so I'm like, okay, it's hitting my buy area, right? And I also know what happened. Remember previously when I told you this, if FVG on the hour, the fair value gap on the hour, it touched that and it rejected off that on the hour. So I saw that on the hour and I'm like, oh, this is too easy. This is too easy. So I go down to 15-minute. I see the 15-minute. Actually, I go down to the 5-minute and I say, okay, boom, the 5-minute. I see this strong push up and I just get in. I just get in and I'm like, boom. This trade could have easily been, oh my days, a 20x trade if I would have held. But, I don't like to held. I went for a 7-8. I could have just went for the 2RR, but I just went for the 7-8, 7.8 points. So really about almost 8 points, right? And I got in right here after this engulfing off this FVG right here, and it's on my yellow zone where I like to trade off. I look at the 15-minute, it was good. The only thing that scared me about the 15-minute is that I know that we broke this support, right? So there is a FVG also going to the downside right here. So really price could have still went down further, or so I just wanted to take my money and get out. I didn't want to be greedy, right? The thing is today I could also took another setup today. I could also took um, this right here, also clean trade up here, but I didn't want to because I already made my money, right? I made 700 and I think $19, something like that. Yeah, $719, but like I made my money, so I'm not gonna make another trade. I'm not gonna get greedy. I'm gonna take my W and leave, right? Just like how I take my losses and leave, I'm gonna take my W and leave, right? We live for another day tomorrow, so that's why I took this buy right here. Because why? We had an engulfing, we had a alpha zone, we had engulfing, alpha zone, and the FEG. There's too many confluences for me to not take a buy, right? So that's why I took a buy right there, and it worked out, man. It worked out. So let me show y'all now. That's the reason why I took the buy, so y'all now understand. So let me show y'all now on the performance thing. Obviously, you can see Monday, I told y'all, Monday I lost $400. It's actually 420 plus the fees, and only took one trade. It was that one trade that I showed y'all yesterday, and today one trade, $719. Actually, and only took that one trade that I showed y'all today. So really, man, you look at the last week. Boom, this is banger. Last week was good. Only $430 loss, but my wins outweighed my losses, right? And then today, we're on the green week right now. We're up what, $300 this week, so that's really really good. We want to keep it like that. My account was low, as you can see. I struggled, man. I was down 1,296 to start off this prop firm challenge, right? But now, what's my balance? My balance is now at 49,935, right? So we're almost at that 50,000 mark where we start off at, and I'm just glad that I took it up to there, right? And now it's time to build on that, right? Not to go back, but just to keep on building and building my thing. So yeah, man. I just wanted to go over both of those trades for y'all today, and let me know, guys. Like, just let me know if um I could let me know if like what to do to help y'all. Also, like, if y'all want me to explain something more deeply for y'all, if y'all want me to um go over something with y'all that y'all don't understand, and if I know it, I could teach it to y'all. Just let me know how can I help y'all, right? I'm just documenting this process for me, but also I know it'll help somebody else, right? To not do the mistakes that I do and take the trades that I trade, right? That if it goes to their own trading plan, because each person gets their own trading plan, right? um, so yeah, but this is mine, and now it's just time to just um, keep building on that, keep tweaking it, keep refining it, and we'll see how that goes, man. But I appreciate y'all for watching, and always remember, guys, that Jesus loves you. Peace.